Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make baklava food fusion. First, understand the core elements of traditional baklava: delicate phyllo dough, a rich nut filling, and a sweet, aromatic syrup. Then, think about how to introduce new flavors or textures from other cuisines. The goal is to create a harmonious blend, not just a mix of ingredients. We'll explore some exciting possibilities. When fusing baklava, consider unexpected flavor pairings. Imagine a filling with pistachios and a hint of matcha, or walnuts with a touch of five-spice powder. You could also infuse the syrup with flavors like hibiscus or a subtle chili kick. Think about how different cultures use sweetness and spice, and let that inspire your creations. The possibilities are truly endless. Beyond flavor, texture and presentation are key to a successful fusion. You might introduce a crunchy element like toasted sesame seeds or a chewy component such as dried cranberries into the nut mixture. Consider cutting your baklava into different shapes, perhaps small individual bites or even a roll. A drizzle of chocolate or a sprinkle of edible gold dust can elevate its visual appeal significantly. To begin your fusion journey, select a trusted traditional baklava recipe. This provides a solid foundation. When adding new elements, introduce them gradually. For instance, try a small amount of a new spice or a different type of nut first. Always taste as you go, making small adjustments to achieve a balanced and delicious outcome. Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.